So the YELL Gator Crew are a team of young adults with a range of disabilities, and they work for University of Florida in the YELL Lab. We work on making sure things are accessible, making sure our research is relevant and feels true to their everyday lived experiences, and sometimes even collect and analyze data together. So one of the things the YELL Gator Crew does is make sure all the materials that we are working with as a research team are more accessible. As a professional, despite my best intentions, I was maybe making assumptions about what their actual lives were like, what their needs were, or what they cared about. Then I went back to school and got my PhD in something called disability studies that uses a critical lens to really question and critique the concept of disability.
So I created new apps for the awesome, cool apps we did, and also for young adults with disability. And people don't have disability, we're just creating more apps for young adults.
First question, how much did you like doing this activity? It was awesome, I really liked it, I don't like it. Ableism is really pervasive. The assumption that individuals with intellectual and developmental disabilities are childlike or don't have good problem-solving skills. Those are really unfair and untrue assumptions.
It's fun to do our research. We like to work together because we are all good friends. We talk about our lives and we need to do at work and how to empower young people with disabilities.
There's a critical gap in the evidence that's available for healthcare and rehabilitation for people with intellectual and developmental disabilities. Some of that is due to the limited inclusion of people in research due to assumptions that they don't understand or they wouldn't be able to engage. By partnering with young adults with disabilities from the ground up, it gives me a real opportunity to pause and make sure that what we're doing really resonates with them and is producing something that is going to be important and help them and others like them in the future.
We look at worksheets together and give feedback on them.
Other researchers should include young adults with disabilities because we need to be heard. Our experiences need to be shared.
You know, people make a lot of assumptions about the capacities and abilities of young adults with intellectual and developmental disabilities. And I hope that the work of the YELL Gator Crew, whether you're a community member with your own business or a biomedical researcher or anywhere in between, really pauses and says, wow, what am I doing to think about the interests or the needs of these important citizens, you know, here who are living and part of our community alongside us.